About this item, ultra large capacity -R Wii U gamepad battery capacity is 6600 mAh, which is more than 4 times larger than that of the original Wii U battery, 1500 mAh. As one of upgraded version Wii accessories, larger capacity allows you to experience your favorite worlds for Nintendo for a longer time. Perfect compatibility -R Wii U battery replacement is perfectly compatible with Nintendo Wii U gamepad WUP010, WUP012 easy to install - you only need to spend 5 minutes to install the Wii U gamepad battery replacement into your gamepad with the included screwdriver. Easy and convenient, safe - overcharge protection with a built-in battery life microchip. Please feel free to use our Wii U battery. Long-term use - this Wii U battery replacement can be charged or discharged as needed without loss of capacity. No memory effect. Start enjoying the exciting moments with your friends and family. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, ultra large capacity -R Wii U gamepad battery capacity is 6600 mAh, which is more than 4 times larger than that of the original